What's up, Wolfpack? Lycan-Strife here, Driftwolf Gaming, and there's another sponsor that has entered the ring. Again, another sponsor that has found me through YouTube and said, here you go, here's a package, and we're gonna unbox it right now. You're gonna see soon enough what this company is called. There you go, TESmart. To enjoy smart. Well, nobody likes it to be dumb, right? So I think that's actually a good thing. So yeah, we're checking it out. It's a 2-port single monitor HDMI KVM switch with 2 HDMI plus 2 USB black. So we're gonna check that out real quick. Open this bad boy up. Ooh, looks really cool already. Here we have the user manual. It's actually pretty extensive. There's a lot of stuff going on in the user manual. I'm gonna chuck that aside. I'm gonna grab our little unit right here. And let's see how that looks, because wow. It looks really cool actually. I'm gonna put that on the side right there. And yeah, oh, we have to check this out real quick. So on and off switch, select infrared mode. All right, and here you have the backside. USB, you have your keyboard and your mouse, your HDMI inputs, everything that you need right there. Ventilation on the sides and on the bottom, and the rest is just a very nice black finish. So let's see what else is in the box. We're gonna gently put this to the side together with the manual. And we're gonna check out what else is in the box. So here we go. I'm gonna take that off. And here we have all the stuff that we need to hook it up, so to speak. I'm gonna take that out. Put that to the side real quick. Let's see what's inside. I'm gonna adjust the camera. I think this is gonna be your power plug. Yep. Also really cool, a remote. And also very cool that they knew that I was in Europe. I actually did not specify this, but of course they checked me out, so they know that, yeah, we are in Europe. So that's gonna be your infrared and your power brick. And this is gonna be another big thing, box full of cables. It's actually really nice that they supply you with the cables. So again, putting all the boxes to the side real quick. You have your, oh, here you have your actually double cables here. Your HDMI and this specific power plug and USB. So that's really cool. I actually don't know if they're loose cables or if they are integrated. Oh, they're integrated. Ah, okay. So these are actually molded together, and again 4K at 60, as far as I know, 4K at 60 Hertz, which is really cool. So we're gonna put that elastic band right back so we don't jumble it up any further. And then here's, I think, the exact same cable, which is also HDMI, USB, and power. So as far as I know, this is a power plug. I don't remember how you call that, but we're going to be able to put, for example, the PS5 and the MIPC running at the same time, and we are able, we're going to be able to switch in between those two really quickly, which is ideal for example, for streaming, stuff like that. So there's a lot of stuff where you can use this for. So I urge you guys all to check them out. They are called TESmart. There you go. This is their brand. You can probably find them on their website or maybe Amazon. I don't know for sure, but I have to put their website link in the description down below. And this has just been the simple unboxing. Stay tuned for another video where we're going to test this beast out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Please leave a like and subscribe. And thanks again for the support.